this goes, but yes. It should be fine because I went way past September to check up on Bubbles, and they didn't say anything, so. That's when I went in to examine. I think that's the 27th. That's what it is, right? Yep, that's what it is. Yes, we have $10 off. Yeah. Yeah. Table and chair. $20. Yeah. 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 Carpet. Rod. Yeah, I know.